So here is the evidence, and here's what I will show my husband if he asks me why I bought more string. Hey fellow flowers, Violet here, and welcome back to another video. I am in the middle of getting ready to do a Halloween drop on my Etsy shop, so I needed to buy a lot more string so I could make more keychains like this. This is a red and black checkerboard, and then a zebra with red and black, and then a little skull that I am working on. I'm going to make a couple of variations of the skull and kind of just test out which ones I like. But yeah, so I needed to buy more string because I have absolutely blown through all of my string. This is all the white I have left. My brown is already out. I finished several spools of black. The red is all gone. So we splurged and I dropped a lot of money, like $100 on more string. So I'm going to be sharing with you today all of the string that I got from Pepperell Braiding Company, and then I also got a couple of things from Hobby Lobby recently, so I figured I'd show those off as well. Now, if there are any lanyards that you would like to see demonstrated or any how-tos, tutorials you want to see from me next with this string that I got, considering now I am fully stocked, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss another tutorial from me. A majority of what I got is from Pepperell Braiding Company, but I also have this big bag from Hobby Lobby. Mostly, I really like to use white when I make lanyards. That's like, I think, my favorite color to weave with, just because it really makes the other colors all pop. So I bought a lot more white, which we will be going through. Let's pop this bad boy open. I get asked pretty frequently where to buy lanyard string from on my TikTok. If you're not on the lanyard making page for TikTok, be sure to go follow that. Holy guacamole, it's so much, it's heavy too. When I order from Pepperell Braiding Company, because I can't get lanyard string like anywhere else, I usually just buy in bulk, and I pretty much buy for the upcoming year or like the upcoming months. I have 4 spools of white XOXO that I got. I'll stack them here. So this is my old spool. You can see that I am nearly all out of my brown, and then I'm about halfway through my last tan, and then like I showed you, like nearly completely out of white. But yeah, so as I mentioned, almost out of tan, so I got a little bit more tan. Tan is really good for making little cake keychains, so I got some more tan, and then brown, and then I wanted to try out this new well, not necessarily new, but I haven't tried the dark brown yet, so I got this one. This is, yeah, literally just called dark brown, and you can see it in comparison to medium brown. So dark brown, medium brown, woo, and then tan. So I am a fan of kind of the neutral colors, so I thought I would get some of that because I made this checkerboard keychain recently, and I like the way that the browns kind of made the pink pop a little bit more. So I want to do more with that, hence why I bought a lot more brown. Here's another one of those dark brown spools. And then something that I always need and I never have is red. So we got 2 spools of red. So now I can make things with red. And then I thought I would give this one a shot, but this is the XOXO color changing string. So I'll have to do a video on this where I test it out because I haven't tried this one yet. I've done the glow and like their different striped colors, but yeah, that'll be a new one. Next, I got some more purple, the bright baby blue, and then this one I am pretty excited for because I haven't had this string in a while, and it's the two-tone black and white string. Whenever I see somebody who has made a lanyard with this stuff, my brain is just like so excited. So I got some so we can make some cool projects with that next. And then another one that I'm excited for is this bright lime green. It's just so in your face and I love it. And then this is the glow pink. This is more of like a baby pink. I feel like we're like kind of more of a peach tone. Let me show you how it compares. The rose color. This is rose from their website, and then this is the glow pink. I feel like this one's a little bit more of like a peachy tone. So excited to do some kind of, like I said, like neutral lanyard colors with this one. And then here are all of the shades of purple that I got. So that's just the same one. Yeah, that's all the purple. So excited for these ones. All right, next up, I got some more of the pearlized white, and that's because I have this lanyard that I started forever ago, which I still want to finish. So when I do, maybe you'll see a video on this one. It's I believe it's 13 strands. Yeah, 13. A 13 strand wall combo. So yeah, that's that one. And then just some more fun colors. Yeah, the pink and the lime green and black. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Pepperell Braiding Company. Now, unfortunately, Hobby Lobby doesn't really sell XOXO and CRAFTLACE in bulk. They also don't really have a lot to offer in terms of XOXO and CRAFTLACE, hence why I go to Pepperell Braiding Company. But what they do have sometimes is macrame cord. I'm usually a little bit more sporadic and like impulsive when I make macrame things. So I got some macrame cord and a lot of the neutral colors because typically my Hobby Lobby is not stocked with neutrals. They always sell out. So when I saw that they had them, I bought a bunch. So just a couple, like 1, 2, 3, and one more. No, yeah, that's it. No, there is one more. And this one. So a lot of macrame cord from them. And then the last thing, we were gonna do my family, we wanted to do a craft night with some treasure boxes. So we got a whole bunch of treasure boxes from Hobby Lobby so that way we could sit and have our craft night. So I will have to update you on what these get turned into, but yeah, there are all of our little treasure boxes that we got. I kind of wanted to deck one out with like lanyards and XOXO and like have it be like a lanyard treasure box, but we'll see what becomes of that. All right, so there you have it. That is everything that I got from Hobby Lobby and Pepperell Braiding Company. If you're interested in seeing any particular tutorials with this string now that I am fully stocked, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks and bye.